everybody, this is Logic on Steroids. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Like this video, share this video. And like I said, we getting straight to the video. No excuses.
Are you ready?
Finals is going to be Evans and Dora.
Evans and Dora.
What's your one?
How's it going?
Come on, car started straight.
Roll the windows down.
I ain't roll my windows down.
You can't roll them down?
What's up, man? Cause you the same one that walked on my car the other night, bro.
You can stay in the car. Okay, you can stay in the car.
Okay, well, chill out, Judge. Chill out.
Is anybody in the back seat or no?
Ain't nobody in the back seat. I got stuff in the back seat. But what your name is? Cause you the one that ran down on my car the other day.
My name is Officer Warner.
Come on, sir. You touching my vehicle, sir. You is touching my property. You cannot touch my property, man. What did you pull me over for?
Your tent.
My tent? Oh,
Yeah.
Whatever you want to do. What's wrong with my tent?
It looks too dark.
It's not dark.
Okay.
It's not dark.
We'll test it. We'll see.
It's not dark.
On you?
He done went through this before with this back. All this stuff.
Bro, this the same.
She need to be quiet. You make it. She gonna make it way worse. He's already making it worse for himself. He's doing a good job. You don't need help him.
Before with this back. All this stuff.
Bro, this the same cracker. He just tried to pull me over the other night.
Why are you slinging
Because
some
you
racial
a man, you was,
Y'all hear that?
it's not no racial slur. Bro,
I'm not
cause you keep
harassing
on, you is harassing me. You tried to pull me the other night when you was at neighborhood on Market Street.
Okay.
You remember that with no lights?
Let me see your ID.
You hopped out the car with no lights on.
Let me see
and
your
you,
ID.
you tried to lick inside my car.
Let me see your ID.
Don't worry about it.
We just doing, we taking it out.
Cause you ain't got better else to do. You a real shit.
L63 on 2.
Can you please
No.
stop leaving my door like that now?
No.
Come on, cause you gonna f up my door, man. This is my property, it's not yours. So move the f around. You got my ID, go into the car.
Do you need to go in handcuffs or
Bro,
what?
go to the f car. Do what you gotta do. I gave you my ID. Go and do what you gotta do, man. Do what you gotta do.
I think you should relax. That would probably be
He had
good.
a problem with his door.
Don't worry about it.
6'3". Can you run one by Florida ID?
Don't worry about it. Oh, man, Crocker, I got license. I got.
Listen, nobody likes getting pulled over. You know what I mean? Just work with them so you can leave. You know damn well you cussing and yelling and saying racial crap and your girl running her mouth is not gonna end in the way you want it to end.
Everything, Crocker.
So stop being delusional.
Do what I'm
Alpha
doing.
530.
It's the same dude. Hey, listen, 2 nights ago, this same dude.
Why?
Same dude.
He about to
Did
know.
the same and it was so many witnesses too. That's the crazy part about it. I'm glad I got you right. I'm glad you right.
That's like harassing him. So you see his tag and so you harassing him.
I was supposed to find your ass that night, but I was too busy.
What you gonna find me and do?
Oh, I was gonna find you and report your because you harassing. That's what you doing. Come on, man.
What you gonna report me for?
Because you harassing, bro. You
He
don't
made it sound tough. He said, I'm gonna find you and report you.
got going on, bro. Just like you
What's
trying.
harassing?
Let's put up the crazy light when y'all shine the light inside of my. Come on, man. Get up out my car, man. Cause I'm finna go on here to pull up cause he tripping, bro. I don't
Are you
even
ready?
feel safe. I don't. Why are you doing this, man? Man, get the out my car. Man, come on.
Damn, boy. That escalated real quick.
Swear to God, Cracker. Hey, listen, you talking about get the f out of the way. You wanna push your old leg?
Yo, that pavement looks hot.
They harassing him.
Swear to God, you.
Harassing him.
Bro, you.
They dared to push me.
Man, I swear to God. I swear to God.
I'm in the system, he pushed me. That's
Y'all
not
for
right.
real. Bro. Take your badge off, bro. Take your badge off. Take me down. Take your badge off. Take your bag off. Stop holding me, man. I swear to God, Crocker. Hey, Crocker, listen.
And they Jim Crow.
Man, listen.
The Jim Crow harassing him.
Don't worry about it. I got some for all y'all.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry
Get this
about
Crocker name right
it.
here.
I got
Get this name right here.
Born in Hayes. Hayes at ATIG.
They can slow it down, take another one.
That's a lot.
Don't worry about it. Man, come on, man. I can't breathe.
I'm gonna tell you something. All that crap you was talking to the officer found him a way to take it out on you. You know what I mean? And it might be justifiable.
Roll on your side.
I swear to God, I can't.
Then roll on your side.
Bro, I swear you give me.
He can't breathe. What y'all doing to him? It's you causing this, young.
All right, I got some for you.
all this.
I promise I got some
It's
for you.
It's not right. It's not right when y'all
Come
treating
on,
him.
man. I cannot breathe. Get up off me, man.
Push me.
Bro,
I'm a senior citizen.
Don't worry about it.
He came harassing him.
Don't worry about it, man.
Okay, but then
We
he
gonna
pushed
tell
my
him
bill. And then he gonna this police right here.
Over here.
The police right there trying to push me on the ground. I'm a senior citizen.
He should have thought about her. Like, damn, he don't want to put her in no BS. So let me just cooperate. You know what I'm saying? When you got kids with you, if you got your mom or something like that with you, somebody you care about, you don't want to get them caught up in no crap. That's why you don't bring them to places where you beefing with people at and all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? You don't want them involved in your beef. You don't want to make them inherit your beef.
Stop yelling. I can't understand.
No issues.
Listen,
Hey.
Come on.
Look how you walking like.
I'll make y'all kill me today. I promise you, I'll make you kill me today. I promise you. I promise you.
Just listen for a
I
second.
promise you.
I understand that.
I promise you, y'all will make y'all kill me, boy. I promise you that. I promise you that.
It's all right here. Relax. Just stay right here. You're fine. You're fine.
And then they push me. I'm a senior citizen. I'm a senior citizen. Yeah, I'm gonna push me on the ground.
5, 3, we're 10.
It's not right.
She said what?
I'm a senior citizen. Yeah, I'm gonna push me on the ground.
5, 3, we're 10.
That's not right.
What do y'all need? Y'all keep on with me,
They will
bro.
explain it. It's in the car and I'll talk to you.
I don't even want to talk with you. Do what you gotta do.
You problem.
I promise you, I'm gonna get your family, dog.
Check his other pocket.
Have a seat, man, okay?
Right, y'all keep on talking about having seat. Y'all don't understand what the going on.
Right.
Y'all around here pushing people, slamming me on my shit.
Hey, have a
You
seat.
talking my tent, but you pulling me out of car
Have
for all
a
this.
seat, man. Have a seat.
That ain't no ass bull.
Have a
That's
seat.
bull. You know that. You know that bull.
Turn him towards
Have
me.
a seat, man. Have a seat. All right?
You know that's bull.
Have a seat.
Don't worry about it, but I promise you I'll beat
Just
you in
have a
court.
seat, man. Hey.
I'll beat you in court every time,
Have a
cuz.
seat. Have a seat. Have a seat. There you go.
Hey, can you get my glasses, all that?
I got you, man. I got you.
Hey, Auntie, get my phone, all that.
Watch your feet, bro.
It's not right. You're harassing him. And I wanted to help a witness, and I see you harassing
like me
him.
to explain to you what's going on?
And then you're going to push me.
Hey, ma'am.
I'm a senior
We will
citizen.
talk, but you can't just keep following us around. Let's just, is she in this car?
Yeah.
All right, let's
Yes.
just stand right by the back then. That way we can
That's
talk.
not right.
We don't want to keep following.
That's not right.
Don't worry about it, Auntie. I promise you I'm going to rip them a new asshole. I promise you. Cause he did this 2 nights ago, man. Shine the light in my window for no reason. I ain't been doing shit, bro.
I haven't seen you in a long time.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. I ain't been doing
Hey,
He
look
did the
good.
same the other night, shine the window in my light. I turned and went inside the store. He got out of the car with no lights on. Looking inside my car for no reason. I come out, he gone. Now he see me right now. Now you want to do this? You pull me over for tick, but you want to slam me? All type of Because I said.
He had you to step out of the car? Did he ask you to step out?
No, he didn't.
Okay.
I said, this is exactly what I said. I said, I'm about to pull off because I don't feel safe.
Okay.
Because he keep on pulling my door and all type.
Where are you trying to pull to?
To be honest, I was finna call y'all, to be honest.
Okay.
Because I don't feel safe with him. He keep on doing this. This the second time.
Okay.
This the second time. You don't gotta slam nobody to beat. Come on, man.
Trust me, you know I know that better than
That's
anyone.
crazy, bro.
I know
That's
that.
crazy, bro.
I know.
I don't even, bro. Taking my auntie to the stove, bro.
I know.
You don't even do that.
You should stop.
Hang on 1 second.
You should stop. And stop harassing people. Y'all need to wake
Can
up.
I explain to you why I stand in front of
Stop
this door?
being discriminated.
Can I explain to you why I stand in front of this door or no? I stand in front of the door because I can't see inside of the car. You kept trying to close the door.
You asked him.
So
You
to
asked him what
prevent him
was in
from
the
closing
car.
the door,
You asked him what was
I
in the
stood in
car.
front of the door.
Stand back over here with us.
Thank you. You asked him what was in the car. He said he got stuff in the back. He said he got stuff in the back.
You give it? Did you even get to the point of giving him your license and everything?
That's all I did. I gave him a license. He did not come back to the car. You know how y'all usually come back to the car and read everything and all that? He didn't do that. He stood right there in my door light. Didn't even want me to close my door or nothing.
Okay. Is the window broke on the driver's side?
Yes, it is.
I see the wedge. I see the wedge on there.
Yeah. Can I tell my auntie?
Without a doubt. Without a doubt. You want to talk to her?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Pamela.
Oh, Pam. Oh, she talked. She's you know what? She's getting what she saw out to the supervisor, and that's important.
Y'all y'all need to stop discriminating.
I'm not discriminating
Because
against
you know
anybody.
why? You know why I say this now? Y'all got these people coming across that water, the illegal immigrants, and they're gonna take over the United States. So y'all need to wake up and stop this this.
Let's see, which card will she play next? The competition seems quite rough here at the casino, hey Matt?
Oh, well, it seems like she's gonna play the racist card.
The racist card. Is that what she's going for? Give her a moment.
And start getting along with black people.
And yes, she's all in with the racist card played.
Good luck to the female contestant playing with top competitors.
Stop it.
I have nothing against black people.
I'm just saying, hey, the one just did. Stop this man, because y'all got these illegal immigrants come across the water, and they not playing with y'all. And they dealing with the cartel. They not gonna play with y'all, the American people.
Okay.
And they trying to take over America. You got Putin up in there, Russia, and you got China up in there. And China sending his men over here. Okay?
Putin.
You got a lot going on with this system. A lot. Y'all need to wake up. Stop hating on black
I'm
people.
awake. I don't hate anybody.
Stop hating. You want the one dude? Stop hating on black people.
He doesn't hate black people.
These do.
No,
He
he
was
does not.
stalking him.
If anything, y'all was hating on white people.
He was stalking him.
He's trying to get him out of the car, and he started fighting.
No. The police jumped in there and grabbed his keys and stuff.
Right, because he's
All
trying
over
to drive
him.
away.
All over him. He wasn't trying to get, he was sitting back there.
Miss Pam, can you just talk to Anthony real quick?
Yes, it's
I ain't gonna lie, man. Can you please get his name? Him?
Warner and his Warner and H-E-I-Z-E-R.
Make sure you get my
Yeah.
phone, 'cause I ain't trying to
I got it. And then he pushed me, almost about to knock me on the ground and bust my lip.
That sergeant's going to take care of everything.
Huh?
What?
That sergeant's going to take care of everything.
What?
The one you're talking to. The one you're talking to.
See my lip right there?
Don't
He pushed me back there, and I almost fell
I must have fell asleep or something.
down like this right here.
Missed that.
And I'm a senior citizen. I'm 66. I'm 65. I'm a senior citizen.
What I'm going to jail for?
Resisting without violence.
Just
obstruction.
How am I resisting
It's
when
obstruction.
I literally told him I didn't feel safe with him.
Right.
Because this is second time. You were sorry.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it. What's your name is?
Sergeant
Oh, he's a sergeant.
Sable. Hey, listen.
Talk
Don't
to
even
him.
worry about it. Get my car. Just go on about your business. I'll be out in a couple minutes.
Just a minute.
If you're detained for a traffic stop, you can't just drive off.
I understand, but I didn't feel safe. This same officer keep on harassing me.
That's why he didn't
Just
feel
2
safe.
nights ago, he shined the light inside my car.
See?
Then turned the lights on. I went inside the store. He got out his car. Him and his partner with
Stop
no
him.
lights on. That's
Stop him.
not what you're supposed to do. Got out the car and just looking inside my car, asking what's up. He say, "Hey, how you doing?"
Okay.
You get what I'm saying, or do you not?
I don't understand how that's harassing.
How is that not
Yeah, they
harassing?
blinded
Was your
him.
car parked in a public place?
No, it wasn't. My car was driving. He came up behind me fast. shining is bright, like in my car.
Okay.
And turned. And then when I parked my car to go in the store, he parked right behind me. Got out my car looking all in my vehicle.
Right.
Just like he's not supposed to touch my vehicle just now, he wasn't supposed to touch it. That is my property. If I can't roll down the window, that's fine. But I don't need you to touch my vehicle. You get what I'm saying? That's my stuff. I paid for it.
All right.
Her license is good, Sam.
I know.
Don't worry about it, Auntie. Just don't take my car to the house.
A lot of males have good licenses, by the way. It's the females that be having like suspended license, 90 days unpaid insurance.
He was charged with resisting arrest with violence and sentenced to 300 days in jail.
All right, y'all. Tell me what you think in the comments. Was the officers right or were they wrong for using physical force on him? You know what I mean? And yeah, make sure you check out my Logic on Steroids channel. I got more videos like this. And check out my Crazy Clock playlist.
Are you ready?
All right. Yeah. See y'all later. Love y'all. Peace.